everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a rubric with Rubistar, how to upload it to your Google Drive, and then how you can modify it so that you can use it with Doctopus and Goobric to grade assignments through the Google Classroom. So first step is to go to Rubric so that you can create some sort of rubric for your assignment that you want graded. In this case I'm just going to choose writing, and then I will choose persuasive essay, but there's a whole bunch of different options that you can choose from. And when you come in here, you just want to add your information. You want to title your essay, and you do have to put your zip code in. And from there you can start adding in categories for your rubric. So I will choose some random categories, and you could even create your own categories, and you can modify the rubric however you want to modify it. So once you've chosen what you want to be in your rubric, you want to scroll to the very bottom, click on Submit, and you'll see that your rubric has been created. From there, you can click on the Print or Download. Then we're going to want to download to an Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, it's downloading below, and if I click on that, it's going to open, and I seem to be having some issues with the file extension being .xls, so I might have to change that just in case. So if you click yes, if yours did the same thing as mine, what I'm then going to do is just resave it as an Excel workbook, which should be at the very top, and then I'll title it Rubric. And now that should be in a format that is recognized by the Google Drive in a few seconds, and then we can upload it to our Google Drive. So once you open up to your Google Drive, you want to click Upload Files. And I'm going to find that rubric that I just modified, and I'm going to upload it. Now once it is uploaded, you want to double click on it, and you'll see that it looks like this, and that's because it's used to being in a .xlsx file, which is an Excel file, and you're going to want to open it with Google Sheets. What that will do is it's going to create a second file in a second, and so if I go back over here, another file will pop up, and now it is also in Google Sheets. Now one thing that we have to do before we can use this with Doctopus and Goobric is we have to delete all the unnecessary cells and information. And so that would be all of this information right here. We can first highlight it, we can go up to Edit, and delete rows 1 through 11. And now you can see that all of that is gone. We also need to delete all these extra rows at the bottom, and we'll delete those. And then I also need to delete this column right here because that's not going to be needed either. So I'll highlight that and delete that column. Now we have a very simple rubric, and the very last thing, and this is very important, this little box in the top left corner, you need to click Delete so that there is nothing and no text in that box. At that point, our rubric should be good, and it automatically saves once it's in your Google Sheets, and you will be able to use this in Doctopus and Rubric. Alright, thank you.